set your radio sometimes. Yep.
Well, it sings, it talks, it sings and talks. And I still got the same radio from way back then, and it should still have the same trim settings on it, so we'll see. Yes, sir. Ah, kind of a neat looking thing. Just got to keep it out of the sun. Okay.
Let's hear it. Let's see what it does.
All right. Let's double check me with the controls here. Right, left, up, down, right, left. No.
I take it it doesn't have safe.
No, no safe.
Boy, that thing's fast.
It's a 6-cell and it's got a huge motor on it.
Oh, it's a 6-cell.
Yeah, and it's got a 5,000 milliamp 6-cell battery in it. Well, you gotta have a set in your mind what it's doing. Yeah. Yep. $5,000 milliamp battery. Yep. I have no idea. I think 6-7 minutes, depending on how much power I use.
That's a great fly.
Let's try slowing it down a little bit here.
Does it have flaps?
No.
It's a toy. Oh, these are toys.
It flies. I didn't want to do a real long flight. I wanted to check the battery. Yes, sir. Success. Success. And I remember how to fly a little.
You did beautiful.
Oh. Thank you. And it got wet.
Hey, Al, you said it rained down here, huh?
Oh, I got an inch of rain yesterday.
We didn't get a drop. We got black, we got thunder, a little bit of wind, but no water.
All right.